In today's video, I will show you how to very easily and safely update the BIOS of a desktop computer or laptop. Hello friends, welcome everyone to my channel Galaxy Station. As you know, on this channel, I share various personal experiences with you. Today, the task I will be doing is upgrading the BIOS of this rather old HP ProBook 440 X360 series laptop. This is quite an old laptop. While browsing the internet today, I suddenly discovered that the company has actually released a new updated BIOS file for this laptop in 2025. So I thought, let's update it. And while updating, I decided to make a video for you all. Why and how should you safely update the BIOS? First, let's talk about why BIOS upgrade is important. Along with a BIOS upgrade, your computer security get improved. Performance will also be better and many previous bugs will be fixed. Not only that, sometimes BIOS upgrades are essential to support new hardware. For example, if you upgrade to a new processor or RAM in the future, an old BIOS may not support it. That's why whenever companies release BIOS update, it's wise to update them unless there is a specific restriction or risk with your computer's model. Now, let's talk about precautions you must take before upgrading the BIOS. Your laptop or desktop must be fully charged, and if it's a laptop, keep the charger connected. Do not shut down the computer suddenly during the update process. Do not press any button during the update and download the BIOS file only from official company website, never from a third party sources. And do not connect any devices during the upgrade process. If you have any USB devices already connected to your desktop or laptop, please remove those first before starting the update. Now, let me show you practically step by step how I am updating this old HP laptop's BIOS. First, you need to clearly find the model number of your laptop and the existing BIOS version number. To do that, kindly search DXDiag on the Start menu or Run menu. In this screen, you will see the model number of your laptop and the BIOS version it's running with the date also mentioned. Now it's time to search the internet. At first, search just by typing the model number of your laptop and then go to the laptop manufacturer's website, or in case of desktop, go to the motherboard manufacturer's website. Here I am on the official website of HP ProBook. Now I am selecting the OS version I am running, it's Windows 11, then check for BIOS update file. And here I am checking that whether this file I am downloading its up-to-date file or not. It is an up-to-date file numbered with 1.30. My existing BIOS files number is 1.28. The file is now being downloaded. And one good news, you can run incompatible BIOS update file on your device. That means files only made for your computer will be run by your PC. I am now copying the file to the C drive because it's easier for the system to install a important file from C drive. I am now installing it, waiting. Okay, the update window is here. The only task I need to do is click the next button. But before doing that, I am disconnecting the existing wireless USB mouse from my system. And also, I need to ensure uninterrupted power supply to my laptop via the AC power. Okay, time to reboot. Yes, I am just checking my power supply. Installation is going on. It's done. Now time to restart my computer. The process will take few minutes and you can't press any button while the update process is going on. Please be still, be silent, and don't touch anything, not the mouse pad even. Yes, system BIOS update is going on. It's updating my existing BIOS file. It will take few minutes. You have to be patient. Yes, the main BIOS update file is updated. Now the system is updating the Intel Management Engine firmware. It's also the part of BIOS. That's why this update is going on. And after that, I think there will be another update process. Be patient, don't do anything. Your computer will do everything for you. If for some reason the update process is interrupted or may not complete successfully, your device might not boot, and then you need to take your computer to the official service center. And most of the cases, damage damages caused by uninterrupted interrupted BIOS updates are not covered by the warranty. So be careful and be patient. Yes, the third update is going on super fast. Yes, my system is restarting and I think everything is perfect. This is the moment we all are waiting. Yes, I can see that my system BIOS is now 1.30 with the updated date of 2025, 20th March. Yes, Windows is booting. That means everything went smoothly. Another successful BIOS update. See, the process is very, very easy if you know what you are doing. My laptop is perfectly fine after the BIOS update. So friends, that's how you can safely upgrade the BIOS of your desktop or laptop computer. And so this is the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also, please share this video on your social media. See you on the next video. Thank you.